nice day here, 2:30 in the afternoon. Just going for a little cruise, just to get the legs spinning. But entering the Lehigh Gorge, 1 mile in. All right, let's turn around. Going for 2 miles. About a mile or two in here from the Tannery trailhead. Man, those leaves are dropping quick. Wow. Pretty soon it's gonna be bare. And then 15 months of winter. Comes quick. Hanging on to these dry days, man. Oh yeah. Really feeling great today. Oh, I was gonna turn around there, wasn't I? I was only going down to Rockport and back. I don't know, maybe a couple more miles, right? I got nothing to do today. Wow, it is so nice. Jeez. It's going quick. Wow. I'm always glad I kept going. That's for sure. At 12:07, I am gonna turn around here, at least get 25 in for the day. Go ahead and flip. Ho! Here we are. And heading back up. Cool. Always a highlight here in Rockport. Never gets old. Heading up. Heading up, everybody. All right, here we go. a really great time to be out. Great temperature today. I couldn't let it go to waste. No question about riding today. Really wanted to get out there. Not any kind of distance I like riding, but whatever distance you can get, it's always worth going out and doing it. I've gone for like 5-mile rides, 7-mile rides, you know, just a taste. But it's always worth getting out there. And just getting a little bit of rain here. Bound to happen. Bound to happen lately, you know that. Just about ready to wrap this ride up. 24.4 right here. Should have a little over 25. It was a really nice ride. I ended up seeing that freight train coming through the gorge. It's not too rare, but it doesn't happen all the time. You just imagine in a couple of weeks things might be a lot different up here. And the leaves are definitely starting to thin, but still some sections down there that were like just very, very powerful. Anyway, wrapping this thing up. All right, everybody, back at the truck here. 25.5 miles tonight, and that was an overall pretty good ride. Not too much happened, just a little out and back, just to keep the legs warm, kind of a ride. But anyway, thanks for following along. Thanks for staying tuned. Catch you in the next one.